If the laser pass testing is not passed, is not okay, then we have to adjust the three reflection lengths. The first reflection length is in this place. For testing this reflection length, we should paste the paper on the second reflection length. This is the second reflection length. We paste the paper here, and then we move the laser head to the upper left upper corner. In this place, we will press pause. We will press pause, and then there will be a dot on the second length. Then we will move the laser head to the left lower corner. Then we press pause. Then there will be the second dot on the paper, engraved on the paper. We didn't paste the paper actually. And if 2 points, 2 holes are coincidence, are in the same position in the second length, this proves the laser beam, the first reflection length is in the right position. This is for the first reflection length testing. And secondly, in the second step, we will test the second reflection length. In order to test the second length, we have to paste paper on this place. This is the second. This is the third reflection length. We will paste the paper on the third reflection length to test the second reflection length. And the second reflection length take charge of left and right running. So we have to move the laser head from the left in the left position. In the left position, we will press pause and get a dot on the paper. Then we will get a dot in the right position. And if 2 dots is coincidence, is in the same position, this proves the second reflection length is okay. The testing is okay. So the second step is to test the third reflection length. We have to paste the paper on the lowest position of the laser head, and then we will press a pause and get a dot. If the dot is in a regular circle, then this proves the testing is okay. Okay. Now we introduced the testing progress of 3 reflection lengths. Finish.